here. Come here.
To Dakota from Grandma.
Wait, say it again, Mom. Say it again.
To Dakota from Grandma. I hope you like it, Coco.
Come on.
Let's read the sign.
Have Mommy open it for you.
I found it.
Wait, Mom. Say it again. Say it again. What is it, Mom? Is it a cigar?
Wait a minute, Keith. I want her to open it.
Say to Dakota from Grandma again, Mom.
To Dakota from Grandma.
Come on, look.
What more than the one?
Yeah.
What is that? Look, Dakota.
Oh,
Dakota.
Asa, Dakota.
I got you a what?
Look.
I got you a baby remote control so you can stay away from Grandma's remote.
She let that broke.
She's so smart. She knew when a broken one was broken. She didn't want it no more. The other day, she kept messing with the. She kept playing with the one that
You got look.
the one that works.
Okay, what's the next?
She's smart. She know about them remotes.
Asa, you got a big remote.
Merry Christmas
Merry
from
Christmas.
Grandma. You needed that. You needed that, girl.
Look.
She like that remote.
Look.